Namaste. I am JVN Swarnima, Assistant Professor in Jayoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today we will discuss about a topic from theory of structure, which is numerical based on Castiglione first theorem. In this question, you can see here using Castiglione theorem, determine deflection and rotation of overhanging end A of beam loaded. In this question, given a simply supported beam with the overhang point A, and at point A also given a moment with intensity m. Okay, now first we have to calculate sigma v upon sigma v reactions of RB and RC. So for that, sigma v equals to 0, which is upward forces upon downward force, but there is no force, so it will be 0. Then moment about C, sigma MC equals to 0, M plus RB into L equals to 0, then RB will be minus M upon L. Put this value into this question, in this equation. RB plus RC equals to 0 and minus M upon L upon minus M upon L plus RC equals to 0, then RC will be M upon L. Firstly, we calculate about a rotation of A, which is putting by the formula phi A equals to del U upon del M equals to 1 upon E 0 to L limit M del M upon del M1 dx. But here there are two sections. First section is AB and the other section is CB. So for that, the formula will be 1 upon EI A to B section M del M upon del M1 dx plus 1 upon EI C to B section M upon M into del M upon del M1 dx. Okay, put this equation as equation number 1. Now, first, for the member AB, put a X section from A side, from A point at X. Put a section at X distance from A point, and the limit will be 0 to L by 3 for AB member. The moment at this member mx equals to m. So del mx equals to del mx upon del m equals to plus ka 1. Put this equation, put these values as equation number 2. For CB member, the value is the limit is 0 to L. Take a section at X distance from point C. So the moment will be RC into X. RC is M upon L. So mx equals to M upon L X. Then differentiation of this partial differentiation of this del mx upon del m is equals to X by L. Put these two values, equations values, in the equation number 1. Then phi A equals to 1 upon EI 0 to L by 3 M into 1 dx plus 1 upon EI 0 to L M upon L x into x by L dx. Equate it, and the phi A value, the rotation at A point, will be 2 ml upon 3 EI in the clockwise direction, because the moment which is given in the question is also in clockwise direction. Now, second, we have to calculate deflection at point A. So because at point A there is no load given, so apply a fictitious load W at point A in upward direction. As you can see in this diagram, upward direction में हमने एक W force apply कर लिया. Now, taking moment about point C, del MC will be equals to 0, M plus W L by 3 plus L plus RB into L equals to 0. Then RB will be minus ka M by L plus 4 by 3 W. Take moment about B, del M equals to 0, M plus W L upon 3 minus RC into L equals to 0. Then RC will be M upon L plus W by 3. Then for the deflection formula, del A equals to del U upon del W. 1 upon EI AB member M into del M upon del W dx plus 1 upon EI CB member M del M del W dx. For AB member, 0 to L by 3 is the limit. Then mx will be M plus Wx. Take a moment from for A point and and uh, take a section at point from the point X, from the point A at X distance. Then the moment and in the AB section it will be m plus wx, and the partial diffraction will be plus ka x. In the member CB, the limit is 0 to L. The moment will be RC into X. RC is M upon L plus W by 3X. Then the differentiation of this MX will be X by 3. Put this equation in this formula and equate it, and we will get the answer, which is one deflection at point A, which is 1 upon x ml square upon EI. The next question is, find the deflection is in cantilever beam as shown in figure by Castigliano's method. Here we can see a cantilever beam which have UTL at of 30 kilonewton per meter in 6 meter span. Okay, but here we have to calculate the deflection at point B, but there is no point load at the point B. So we apply a fixed load which is W at point B. Now, member BC, origin B, limit 0 to 6, flux rigidity EI, moment M. In this beam, the moment will be W into X square by 2 minus का capital W upon W into X. Small w will be 30 kilonewton. So after solving it, the moment will be minus का 15x square minus का wx. Then partial differentiate of this moment, the value is minus का x. Then put this value in the formula of deflection, which is 1 upon EI 0 to L limit m into del m upon del w into dx, which 1 upon EI 0 to 6 minus ka 15x square minus ka wx into minus ka x into dx. Put w equals to 0 then and equate this equation. The answer will be 4860 upon EI, which is the answer of this question. I hope you can understand this numericals. If you don't understand and you have a query or doubt, then please mention it in a comment box. I'll resolve it. This session is powered by digital version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.